for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into a backyard solution that combines elegance with ease. The ground level deck. Whether you have a massive lawn or a cozy nook, a ground level deck, often called a floating deck, is a versatile platform built just inches off the ground. Unlike traditional raised decks, these structures don't usually require railings or deep footings, allowing them to blend seamlessly with your garden. Let's explore why this design is taking over modern backyards. At its core, a ground-level deck design is an outdoor platform that sits directly on or just slightly above the grade of the earth. It is a freestanding structure that doesn't necessarily need to be attached to a house. These decks act as a transitional zone between the comfort of your interior and the raw beauty of your landscape. By staying low to the ground, the design emphasizes a floating aesthetic that makes the yard feel more expansive and accessible without the architectural bulk of stairs or safety balustrades. The benefits of choosing a ground-level deck are numerous, starting with cost-effectiveness and ease of installation. Because they are low-profile, they often bypass complex building permits and the need for heavy structural support, making them a favorite for weekend DIYers and professional renovators alike. Beyond the budget, they offer incredible safety for families with young children or pets, as there are no high drops to worry about. Functionally, they provide a level, stable surface for heavy patio furniture or grills that might otherwise sink into the grass. Additionally, they are excellent for masking uneven ground or providing a clean, mud-free zone in your backyard, significantly increasing the usable square footage of your property. Decorating a ground-level deck is all about creating outdoor rooms that feel as curated as your living room. Start by defining the perimeter with oversized planters filled with lush greenery or flowering perennials to soften the hard edges of the wood. Use an outdoor area rug to anchor your seating arrangement and add a pop of texture or color. Since these decks are low, you can play with low-profile furniture like floor cushions, bean bags, or modular sofas to maintain that relaxed, lounge-like atmosphere. Lighting is the final crucial touch. Because you don't have high railings for lanterns, consider recessed LED riser lights or solar-powered path lights around the edge to create a magical glow at night. Adding a fire pit or a small water feature nearby can also turn the deck into a sensory retreat. When it comes to materials, durability is the top priority because ground-level decks are closer to soil moisture than raised decks. Pressure-treated lumber is the most common and budget-friendly choice, treated with chemicals to resist rot and insects. However, for a high-end look with minimal maintenance, composite decking is the gold standard. Composites are made from a blend of wood fibers and plastic, meaning they won't warp, splinter, or require annual staining. For those who prefer natural luxury, hardwoods like oak or redwood are stunning and naturally resistant to decay, though they come at a higher price point. Regardless of the material, always ensure you have a proper gravel base and landscape fabric underneath to allow for ventilation and drainage. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best ground-level deck design ideas to inspire you for your next project. The multi-tiered entertainment zone. This design features a sophisticated bi-level deck layout that separates the lounging area from the dining space. The use of light-colored composite boards with dark contrasting borders creates a clean, architectural look that perfectly complements a modern suburban home. 2. The minimalist floating platform. A perfect example of simplicity, this deck sits low to the grass with a wide-open floor plan. It features a small dining set and a privacy screen, proving that even a compact space can feel like a private sanctuary when the lines are kept clean and the colors are neutral. 3. The tropical hardwood retreat. This stunning deck uses rich, dark-stained timber to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Surrounded by lush potted hibiscus and ferns, the space is decorated with bamboo-style furniture and a central rug, bringing an exotic resort-style feel to the backyard. 4. The fire pit integrated deck. Innovation meets comfort in this design, where a circular cutout in the decking perfectly frames a stone fire pit. The built-in wooden bench provides ample seating for guests, making this the ultimate spot for evening gatherings and roasting marshmallows. 5. The illuminated midnight deck. Focused on ambience, this dark chocolate composite deck features integrated step lighting and post caps. The glow highlights the different levels of the deck, ensuring safety and style after the sun goes down, while purple florals provide a beautiful color contrast. 6. The seamless lawn transition. This long, wide plank cedar deck is built at the exact level of the sliding glass doors, creating a true indoor-outdoor flow. The simple layout is accented with terracotta pots, allowing the natural beauty of the surrounding trees and lawn to take center stage. 7. The wraparound stone and wood fusion. This expansive design combines the warmth of wood decking with the rugged beauty of a natural stone chimney and flagstone path. The built-in L-shaped benches provide structural seating, making the deck feel like a permanent part of the home's architecture. 8. The modern framed dining deck. Featuring a sleek black railing for a touch of contemporary flair, this deck is perfectly sized for a full outdoor dining suite. The contrast between the light wood planks and the black metal hardware gives it a polished, high-end look that is easy to maintain. 9. The geometric angle deck. This large-scale ground-level deck uses sharp geometric angles to follow the contour of the backyard. The design creates various pockets for different activities, like sunbathing or coffee chats, while the dark perimeter board adds a professional, finished touch. 10. The pergola shaded sanctuary. Combining a ground-level platform with a modern slatted pergola, this design offers the perfect balance of sun and shade. The addition of an outdoor heater and plush lounge seating ensures this deck can be enjoyed through multiple seasons, day or night. Ground-level decks are the perfect solution for anyone looking to upgrade their lifestyle without the complexity of a major construction project. From the choice of durable composites to the addition of cozy lighting and greenery, the possibilities are truly endless. We hope these ideas have inspired you to take a second look at your own backyard and see the potential for a new outdoor retreat. If you enjoyed this tour of ground-level deck designs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you plan to transform your outdoor space. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.